TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 2 p.m. Eastern time on Tuesday. 2 hours left to go in the trading day, and markets escalating to the downside. Fed with a surprise 50 basis point cut. That coming out basically early this morning. The market rises, and from there it falls. The Dow right now, negative 807 points, 25,895. S&P's negative by 83, trading at 3,006. NASDAQ negative by 264 points. All the indices at or approaching 3% in the red. Let's start things off with the S&Ps. We'll start it off with a 5-minute chart. And as you can see, just from the run we had early Friday, they're talking about in the den, the retracement levels are everywhere when you're moving 2, 3, 4% sometimes in the same day. But right from where we were early Friday to the highs that we made just after the Fed cut, we're now approaching a 50% retracement from that level. The moves, just mammoth moves. We're deleting that, drawing off my chart, zooming in on that reaction to the 10 a.m. cut. There it is. You trade up in the S&Ps to a high of 3,137. We're now at 3,000. You're 137 points. You're approaching 4.5% from that high that we made in the market. Pretty remarkable. Jumping over to the other indices, we'll start it off with the Dow, 25,906. We were above 27,000 at 10 a.m. this morning. That means in the span of 4 hours, we just traded down 1,100 points. The NASDAQ 100. 89.98, currently trading more than 400 points below that level. Now we tick up 86.04. We cover the S&Ps, 3,004. Crude oil trading with the market higher earlier at 48.59, currently trading 46.77. Gold contract, gold trading higher, 16.44 in the price of the April contract, and the euro spiking higher on that news as well, made it up to a high of 112.11, currently trading at 111.81. In terms of the news driving the action, I talked about it. Fed cuts rates by 0.5 percentage point to combat the coronavirus slowdown. The Federal Reserve, a surprise move, cutting the benchmark interest rate by 50 basis points, first time in over a decade that's happened. And how about the 10-year Treasury falling below 1% for the first time after that Fed, as bonds trade higher for a lower yield. Stay tuned, folks. Dave White coming up live from 2 till 3 with the Power Trading Hour. Tom O'Brien live from 3 till 4. Dow Jones negative 800, S&P is negative by 87. Stay tuned, folks. We'll be right back.